Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll create this gaming thumbnail in 5 minutes using Pixellab. So first let's set our image size to 1280 by 720 pixels. Next, set the background to a gradient. Set the right side to #2F4793 and the left side to #F25725. Next, I'll import my background image. All files are linked in the description of this video. Go to Erase Color and remove the white color from the image. Go to Color and set the color to black. Next, I'll import the image of the sniper. Just adjust the size and place at the bottom right. Next, I'll just create a rectangle and place it at the left side. Set the color to #FF0000. Next, I'll import this image. Adjust the size and place it above the rectangle. Select the image and go to Shadow. Set the shadow color to orange and increase the blur radius to 22. Select the sniper image and stroke to it. Set the stroke width to 1. Next, click on Stickers and hit anywhere on the canvas to select the first sticker. Set the color of the sticker to orange and place it on the sniper's scope. Duplicate it, set the color to white. I'll just use this to add highlights in some parts of the design. You can follow what I'm doing. Next, I'll create a text. I'll just apply one of my text styles to this text. You can click on the link at the top right to watch how to create this text effect. Just duplicate it and change the content. You can follow what I'm doing. Next, merge all 4 text layers. Just adjust the size and place it here. Add shadow to it. Set the color of the shadow to orange and the blur radius to 15. Next, I'll just create a rectangle. But first, I'll create a text. I'll be using the Obelix Pro font. Just reduce the rectangle size to fit the text. Next, create a triangle. Rotate the triangle and place it beside the rectangle to form something like an arrow. Now, merge both shapes. Duplicate the new shape and change the color to red. Try to put the red shape in the white one. Once you've done that, merge the 2 shapes. Now, put the text on the shape. Adjust the shape size so the text fits in the shape rightly. You can save your work. I'll save this so we can head over to Snapseed. Import the picture here in Snapseed. Go to HDR Scape, with the people filter selected, reduce the filter strength to 8. Go to grainy film, select the A01 preset. Set the grain to 8 and the filter strength to 99. Add vignette to the image. Go to details and increase the structure to 9. And that's it guys, you can save the work. Gaming thumbnail done in 5 minutes. Alright, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please if you did, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel for more value. Click a video on screen to get more knowledge on Pixellab and smartphone graphic design. Click on my social links in the description to follow me on social media and to join my Telegram and WhatsApp group chat to get more information.